snacks. What inside in your bag?
Put zipper.
Huh?
What inside your bag?
Nothing, just only the. I just take it for fun.
Full fun.
Yeah, I take it for fun. Huh?
We're going guys 20 Plaza. Then buying something for
Chilla.
Chilaan muna. Some toys, some coloring,
no.
some
How about
Some,
Muna
ponytail.
don't have a birthday, right?
even though you need to come, you need to give some presents also. Okay pa guys, see you in 20 Plaza. Bye. 2010.
2, 2, 2, 5, 4, 5, 5.
The box. Mercedes-Benz.
20 Plaza. Where is 20 Plaza?
Over there.
Where over there?
It's red and yellow.
Cool. Is this 20 Plaza?
No,
uh,
Center Point.
was that 20 Plaza?
Yes.
Maybe exchange.
20 Plaza. Oh,
This is
this
the
is the
20
20
Plaza,
Plaza.
right?
Yes.
20 Plaza. Plaza. Plaza.
20 Plaza.
Plaza. Why Plaza? Plaza.
Most. Big most. We are here now in 20 Plaza. Hello.
I'm singing my favorite song.
Look at this one, this one. Which one color? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, take it. One for you also. You want one for you also? Which one? There is a which one? Wait. Show me. This is a girl. See this one. Same? No different. Okay.
Different.
Same. Okay, we will take this one.
I'll take this one.
Nandito na kami guys sa paano. Ayan. Dalawang kinuha niya. Para sa kanya isa, para kay Chilla yung isa. So, what else you want to give more? Anything? Come this side. Wait here. Orlen. Ang cute to. Ang cute nito guys. Wait. What is this?
Sketches. These sketches.
You ask Dada. You ask Dada, baby. Tinatawag niya si Dada niya, be. Asan na yun? Where are you going?
Here.
What is that? What do you buy? What buy? For Hindi?
Mama, buy this or no?
What is this? Color pen?
Sketch.
Okay, take it. Okay, take that one.
I take by.
Ito na lang bibilhin.
I take the big one, big clear.
The big one, okay? This one. This one. 8 pieces. 4 for you, 4 for Chilla, okay?
Go to the.
Then what else?
I know. What are you talking about? This one.
Which
I was
one?
talking about this one.
This one you will give there down. We will go there down, okay? There's a lots of toys there.
Ow!
Color book. This one here with Dada. Choose which one is good. Oh,
I don't want this one.
there's
This one.
Not that.
the princess baby if they have.
This one I see you can make color. You can see the color and make color like that.
Coloring book. Vegetable preschool Korean. Okay.
Not this one.
What
This
is
one
that?
is also cool.
Ah.
Can you buy this one also?
Only one more.
But I want to also
Okay, so this one, no need that one. Take this one.
Ah, Take one for Chilla, one for you.
Same.
Yeah, same. That's it.
Inside.
Come on. Come. No. Here. You want to buy some pencil? Coloring pencil. Be? Where's Dada? Coloring pencil.
This is highlighter.
No need the highlighters you have here already. You need the color pen only. Dada, call Dada. I cannot reach here.
I know too.
That one I cannot reach.
That?
That's a color pencil.
Choose this one better. This one.
Which one? Which one? Oh, that one. Oh, yeah, that one.
I want sketch.
You need to have the coloring pencil.
Oh, okay.
The
It's good, this one, I think. Ole na. Dami nung napamilihin. Kay Orlin. Okay.
I got hit by the back.
Tingnan niyo si Orlin, guys.
Ivana, come by my house. Oh my god, that's a good idea. Hey, that's my bee. Look, why come?
Umiyak si Orlin, guys. Umiyak siya, natumba kasi siya sa sa stair. Kaya ayan. Napatahan siya ni Dada. Oh my God! Natakot si Orlin sa stick. Oh my God. Seem like a real. No, Orlin.
It's fake.
Seem like real, no, Orlin?
Hang it here. Hang it.
Ang dami mga toys, guys. Here, ah. There, this side. Which one doll you need to give? Ah, Orlin? Which doll? You want to give this one?
That?
This one.
No, I'm not telling you that.
There's no more. Oh. Then buy, no? For her. Come here, Orlin. So nice. I told you there is there. Find. It's a good one. See? Here. Look at here. See? See? This one, huh?
I'm choosing.
This
I'm
one?
doing.
Choose the good one. Or you want the green one? Hindi maganda.
3 because
Ay, see?
3 fell down. This boat, no.
Only one and one for you, one for Chilla. Which one you want? Oh, that one. Okay, this one.
There is this for Chile, this one. No.
Okay.
This no. You call this one no? Barbie doll. The
Not have here. Come this side.
no this like this one. Like I'm saying the like honor like that.
Not half here, the big one. Ask Dada.
Not that one. It's for only for boys.
It's not for you, that is for no. This one, no? This one, plastic, this one. Uy na. This one. That is plastic, right? This one.
So
It's too big.
Then it's okay. No, it's too big. No problem. You can pull.
Dada, this one then. Dada, this one.
This one. Look.
Dada.
Chess and checkers game. You see? Two in one.
Dada, I want this.
I want to make it strong.
No need na.
Orlin, I have for you the biggest clay.
One.
You have a lot there, Orlin. Not all. You need. Ito na guys, yung pinamili namin. Ayan. So, tapos na kami. Then,
Happy birthday.
we're going home and... Orlen!
We already done shopping and now we are going
We're going somewhere. Then,
India.
Inuman. So, see you guys in our next vlog.
Where is my bag?
So, ayan guys, tapos na kami
I'm gonna eat
mamili.
my
Then,
candy.
magbabayad lang
Where
kami.
is it?
Then, we will end our video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoy our video shopping today. Then, bye-bye. God bless.